Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 2x2 picture in Canva. First thing that you need to do here is of course open up canva.com and hit on enter. Once you're in here, make sure to log in of course right here at the top right. Once logged in, just go ahead and click on the custom size right here where it says create new. Click on that. Once this window pops up, just go ahead and click on this drop down right here and select inches or in. Once done, just type in 2 in width and 2 in height. After that, just click on create new design. All right, after that, go ahead and open up a new tab. Then type in remove.bg. Once done, hit on enter. Once you're in here, you're going to want to upload your image. For example, here I'm going to select the image of my son. All right. And wait for the website to do its magic. Click on the download button right here. Then save it on your desktop so you can easily locate it later. Save. Once done, go back to Canva. Go to the left panel and click on Uploads and click on Upload Files. All right. Go to Desktop. Click on the image and wait for it to finish uploading. Once done, just simply drag the photo, all right, and of course resize the photo. For example, here, this is what a normal 2x2 picture looks like, right? I'm okay with that. So what we're gonna do next is go ahead and open up another tab and go ahead and look for formal attire, vector, or formal attire PNG. As you can see here in the search results, you can select for female or for man or man. So go ahead and click on which is appropriate. Now once you're in here, you're going to want to go to the images tab and look for a good looking formal attire right here. And for example, I'd like to select this one. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and right click on the image, hit on save, go to desktop, save it again, go back to Canva, go to the left panel again and hit on upload files, locate the formal suit, hit on open, wait for the upload to finish, click. As you can see here, it is now being added. So go ahead and resize the formal attire. All right, so you basically get the point right now. I'm going to try to make it as beautiful as possible. All right, so you basically get the idea now. And there you have it. Once done, just go ahead and click on the share button right here at the top right. Hit on download. If you want to save it on PNG, just go ahead and save that on PNG format or JPG. All right, I'm going to hit on that. Once done, hit on download and the download process will begin. Just go ahead and save it on your desktop, or if you have your USB ready, just go ahead and click on your USB. All right. And once done, just hit on save. Make sure to rename the file, of course, my 2x2, 2x2, right? Hit on save. If you want to see it, just go ahead and go to your desktop, open up the file, and there you have it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.